Welcome to Outgrow. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to build an insurance needs calculator, an interactive experience that helps users understand their life insurance requirements while generating high-quality leads for your agency. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and selecting Numerical Calculator as your content type. Begin with a welcome screen that sets expectations and builds trust. Add a clear heading along with a short subheading explaining what the calculator helps users achieve. Next, head over to the lead generation form section and collect relevant information such as full name and email address. This ensures you capture qualified leads before revealing the results. Now, let's build the calculator flow. Question 1. What is your current annual income? Ask users to select their income range less than $40,000, $40,000 to $100,000, $100,000 to $250,000, over $250,000. Question 2. How many dependents do you have? Find out how many people rely on their income. None, 1, 2, 3, or more. Question 3. What are the ages of your dependents? This helps understand long-term financial responsibility. Similarly, you can set up the rest of the questions based on your insurance calculation logic. After the user completes all the questions, Outgrow displays a clear and meaningful results screen. For Result 1, add the following heading. Your recommended coverage amount is add a suitable subheading explaining what this amount means for the user and their family. Apply the required formula using the formula builder. For Result 2, similarly set up Result 2 by adding a clear heading, a short description, the corresponding formula. This helps users understand both the coverage amount and how long it can support their family. Finally, preview your calculator. Once you're satisfied, click Go Live. Your insurance needs calculator is now live, helping prospects plan with confidence, build trust, and convert visitors into qualified leads. Ready to get started? Start your 7-day free trial today and create interactive calculators that engage users, personalize experiences, and convert leads.